Hey guys, it's Ty with Notaboom RV coming at you live Elkhart, Indiana. Here we're at the Alliance Plant 4. We're here to check out this new floor plan by Paradigm. It's the 390 MP. I want to highlight a couple key features. They redid the storage up front, went from the 1-door to 3-door, kind of set up more like a toy hauler. And then here in your pass-through storage, they have two-way switches to control awnings and slide outs. Tons of storage here with the wide body and the 2 doors. And then stepping inside here, this is a revised floor plan of the 390 MP that they used to make. You still get your standard 3 ACs, flush floor slides in the kitchen, and you also have your pull-out fireplace for hidden storage. Hidden storage on both sides, just like any other Paradigm. But the cool thing about this floor plan here is this new bunk setup. They eliminated the full loft, went to a half loft, so you have a single bed over here, another single bed over here that is on a lift, and then you have your tri-fold couch that comes out as well. And this is a nice desk area to kind of give you that multi-purpose feel to it. And then stepping up through the hallway here is how you have access to that single bunk. Then stepping in the bedroom or the bathroom here, you got the epoxy countertops, the more residential looking shower, king bed, hidden storage here in the dresser, and then washer dryer prep with tons of storage up in that closet area. Again, this is the new floor plan by Alliance, the 380 MP. Thanks for checking it out.